Good morning, guys. This is the last morning on this yacht, and I'm going for a long run today, which will let me explore yet another part of this beautiful island. This will be a part to the north from here. This place here where we have based is called the Faråsund town or village. And so today we'll explore the north of the island. And yeah, we're leaving tonight back to Ventspils, and then our trip will be done. And I forgot to mention before that this trip was a present to me by my friend Agris to my 40th birthday, which was almost 2 years ago already. But last year when we planned this trip, it cancelled due to the bad weather, so it postponed to this year, and now it's done. And I want to thank you, Agris, for giving me this beautiful present.
How are you?
Fine. There is another little island. Well, this is Gotland, and here is a bridge, so-called bridge, to another island, little island. And well, supposedly this bridge is to be crossed on foot, so therefore it's called a bridge. Of course it's covered in water, but still I think it's quite shallow, so let's see whether or not we can go there.
Näis nöyräis. So how did you get here?
Using the stairs over this fence, how do you call it, with spikes. Barbed wire.
I don't know, but this is scary.
Couldn't escape if I wanted to. All right, 30-kilometer morning run done. Let's go for a swim.
Tuossa tomaatin sauna. Ne on edissä. Antikka.